decimals. 4.1. Decimals and fractions. 4.2. Place value and value of each digit in decimals. 4.3. Addition and subtraction of decimals. 4.4. Multiplication and division of decimals. 4.5. Combined operations. 4.1. Decimals and fractions. Changing fractions to decimals. 1. Decimals are fractions, of which the denominator, bottom, is a multiple of 10. For example 10, 100, 1000, etc.
Example 1.
Formula 1.
Example 2.
Changing decimals to fractions.
Example 3.
Formula 2.
Example 4.
Four point 2. Place value and value of each digit in decimals. Stating place value and value of each digit in decimals. 1. Each digit in a decimal has a specific place value, which determines the value of the digit.
Example 5. The place value of each digit in number 69.738 are 60, 9, 0.7, 0.03, 0.008. 69.738 is also equal to
Comparing the values of two decimals and arranging decimals in order. 1. To compare two decimals. A. First, arrange the digits of the decimals according to their place value. B. Then, compare the value of each digit from left to right.
Example 6. Which decimals is bigger? 367.059 or 367.124? Answer. First, arrange the decimals according to their place value, to compare from left to right. 1 is bigger than 0. So, 367.124 is bigger than 367.089.
Rounding off decimals. 1. The decimal place, dp, of a decimal, is the number of digits to the right of the decimal point. 2. A decimal can be rounded off to a nearest number, similar to the rounding off a whole number.
Example 7. 23.678.
Round off to the nearest number.
23.68.
Round off to the nearest number.
23.7. Example 8. 23.078.
Round off to the nearest number.
23.08.
Round off to the nearest number.
23.1.
4.3. Addition and subtraction of decimals. Addition of decimals. 1. The addition of decimals is the process of finding the sum of two or more decimals.
Example 9. Example 10.
Subtraction of decimals. 1. The subtraction of decimals is the process of finding the difference between two decimals.
Example 11. Example 12.
Four point 4. Multiplication and division of decimals. Multiplying two or more decimals. 1. The multiplication of a whole number and a decimal is a process of repeated additions of that decimal.
Example 13. Example 14. Example 15.
Dividing decimals.
Example 16. Example 17. Example 18.
4.5. Combined operations.
Example 19. Example 20. Example 21.
Happy learning